My favorite was tomato rice and fried potatoes that mom used to send to school for lunch. And I wouldn't share it with anyone, okay? And I just wait for lunchtime, can't just wait, and then I wait, and as soon as lunch comes, I just so I love Amma's tomato rice and potato fry. So I'm going to make potato fry, which is in a hot pan. I put some oil, crack some mustard seeds. Now once the mustard is cracked, we're just going to put these red dry chilies. And then I'm just going to add the potatoes. Turmeric powder. Some chili powder. Salt, that's it. And then I'm just going to put the lid on for a few minutes on low flame. There it is, the potato fry is ready. That's it, so simple, so nice, and so yummy too. I'm going to pour some oil, sesame oil again. And tomato chutney you can actually make and store it in the fridge, and you can always have it, on a sandwich with some butter, vegetables, and just a layer of this tomato chutney. It's just amazing. Mustard seeds. So once that cracks, we're gonna add these red dry chilies. So now I'm going to add some onions, here with some green chilies and some ginger. Look how beautifully chopped. It's just amazing, isn't it? Maybe a teeny weeny bit of garlic there, just that much. Tomatoes from the can. A little bit of chili powder, maybe a little more, the yellow turmeric powder, and some salt. And with that, I put a little secret thing, which is I put a piece of palm sugar. It'll just melt with by itself in it. Depending on how sweet you want it, you can add as much as you want. And see, the palm sugar is melted in. So tomato chutney is ready. Things that turn me on. Smell of pepper. And that real strong smell of green chilies. And these two now. It's just wow. I'm going to add in the rice. Just mix it up. If you want more tomato chutney into it, you can add some more as well. Make it more tangy. There you go. I'm going to just put a lid on it so that the rice just soaks it in. And I'm going to add some coriander leaves and just lay that there. Let it just. Tomato rice is ready. Tomato rice with fried potato. We're going to try some tomato rice with the fried potato, as I was talking about. Mix it up and It's so good. Just blend the potato with the rice and then just eat it. Try it at home, guys. It's so easy and simple and beautiful.